yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah. Ripping, man.
Yeah.
He's got a good lead.
Who is it?
I don't know.
I can't tell either. I'm just trying to catch it. Yep. Awesome! I dig it. What'd they say?
Keep goggles.
Oh, can't help you. Was that Brad? I think that might have been Brad, our
I
host.
think that was Brad.
Kind of sounded like him, but I could be
I
wrong.
don't know who that was, but we got a...
Nice. God damn it, that's awesome. Fuck yeah. I love that noise.
Yeah.
I love it.
That's going to be some cool shot, man. Oh, that was Brad right there.
Okay, okay. Sounding good. We like it. Nice.
Nice. It's fast.
Dyson.
Alright, so that guy came back into the race.
Yeah.
That turned out.
Yeah, it's all good.
Yep, he's good.
God, those first three guys were just hauling ass. I want to ride like that when I grow up.
Amen to that, brother.
Okay, maybe I should stop now and save my footage. That was killer. I gotta use my imagination and find another good spot, I think.